So this is the Amazon extension framework, and basically what it does is that it fetches a certain information from Jungle Scout. Now I'll first take you through the manifest file. So if we go through the manifest file, which we'll see from here, you see that it uses certain permissions. So we use this to store storage. We use also this to notify the users of when the price has been extracted. The active tab is used to query the active tab so that we can close it. That's for pop-ups. Management is to also fetch the list of Chrome extensions that exist. Identity is for OAuth 2, but currently we're not making use of this. Then scripting is in case you want to send content, you want to inject content scripts into Windows, and there's the side panel API that allows the UI. So we're going to simply run the project. Now for the side panel, what it basically does is that you need an HTML. Now I will let you know that I'm using React, the React plugin. So because of that, I'm making use of the Webpack component. Okay, still good. So I'm making use of the Webpack component, which is the HTML5 plugin. So what it's going to do is for each of the code, it's going to inject the HTML for it so that I can, for each of this here, for some of this, it's going to inject the HTML so that I can render my bundle into it. That is the React content. So if we take a look at it, close this one. Now, all we simply do is to click here and we can see the extension. So you click, I've created the sample for this demo, just 4 items. So once you click here, you see just 4 items. Now once you click, it's going to call the background service to open a window. Then some script will be injected, which will fetch the code, then close it. And you'll see this there. It will wait for the Jungle Scout extension to open, then to click it itself. Then once it clicks it, it waits for this item to load before extracting the information. And you can see the information has been extracted. So we do the next one. You should also take some time to try to inject this, to try to run this, because Amazon can detect when you're running like a bot or JavaScript that is automated. So you should have some set time interval between when you're making the calls. Then we're simply going to just finish it, and once we do that, so we wait for this one, then for the next one. Now once you finish it, it's going to a hook is going to fire, which would refresh and let you know that this has been done. So we simply click on this to export. Now once we export, we are going to go to Google Sheets. And we click on the blank import. And voila, you will see the imported data with the price generated. So you see the imported data with the price injected, and that's it. This is the Amazon Jungle Scout script by extension that I built. Thank you guys, and take care.